Hi, I'm Joe. I'm a Technology Solutions Specialist here at the Barcode Warehouse, and today we're looking at the TC22 and TC27. These devices are built on the TC21 and 26 models with a larger screen and more rugged design. This device range comes with a Wi-Fi only model in the TC22, but also a Wi-Fi and 5G version in the TC27. These mobile computers have an IP68 rating against water and dust ingress. They provide fast, first time, every time capture of barcodes in any condition. They offer a choice of standard range SE4710 or advanced range SE55 scan engines. They can be used with a trigger handle and RFID sled. Support for tap-to-pay and non-payment contactless transactions with Apple VAS and Google Smart Tap for ticketing and membership cards. A large display so you can see indoors and outdoors. These bring unique value add-ons with Workstation Connect. This allows you to use your Zebra mobile device as a mobile computer, a workstation, and a POS system. Value add with Barcode Warehouse Managed Services.